Ooh, Regis students. So I've added in different learning exercises that break down the objectives and the key terms and the optional outcome. And the whole point of this is to really ensure that in this asynchronous environment you get more support, but also have a meaningful example. And so it's a little challenging to always have the exercise where I give you like go figure it out. And so I'm hoping that the reverse, where you're explaining on an optional, or if something is not understanding, that you're going to reach out. And so for optional outcomes, when we have just plain exercises, if you can right click on the code block and you can add a comment. And then if you're going to add the comment, you would just paste in my email, and then I can respond back to you with the comment. So that's what this short video is about. These two exercises here, they are just simply breaking down. This is showing a classic example of the disk exercise, where the big disk can't go on top of the small one. And so then how are they all going to be moving? And the whole point is that's doing a whole series of calls. And the reason for that is that, well, you need to be able, the numbers in here are for the pegs, the moves, and then the ABC are the pegs. And so it helps give you the solving problem of, in this basic example, between the pegs, of how you would move the disks. And this is then led into, there's a whole other AI component that's associated with this, when it was able to solve for this type of movement using a game called Go. So it's pretty cool. I hope that you've been enjoying this exercise, this code book so far. It's really the final model here, so I'm hoping that it's just coming along really good. The last exercise is then the recursion tree. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm doing them in reverse. But the binary sort. And so the binary sort is when it is doing a trace where it's trying to find the middle value, and then it takes the upper values, the lower values, to continue doing its sort. So the reason why I have these indexing in this is to help you that in the future, if you're trying to solve something, I'm giving you how to find the midpoint in the data stream of what you're searching. That's why this code is very important for you to keep track of or further identify, so that you can quickly search it. And because it has a lot of real neat tricks in it. So I hope that will be valuable for you. All right, thank you.